Hello, today I'd like to introduce you to a new covert AC adapter variant called the DVR252. This particular unit has a very unique feature in that the camera is on the cord instead of built into the unit. As with the DVR255, you have a remote control and video output cord, so you can set the date and time and make any other adjustments to the DVR. But instead of the camera being built into the body of the unit, the camera is actually built into here, into the end of this fake AC adapter cable. And the SD card inserts the same way as all of the other units. So what this allows you to do is to hide the camera in places that you wouldn't ordinarily be able to put it, like on a bookshelf in between books or taped to the back of a desk. So the unit's just laying there like that, and this is the camera. You know, in a lot of office environments, the AC adapters are down on the ground or behind the backs of desks. So if the camera is actually in here, it won't be looking at anything except for people's feet. So in this situation, I can plug this in underneath my desk and lay the camera like that. And you're gonna need to stick it down with either some tape or a clamp or some sticky putty or something like that to get it stop it from rolling or flopping around. But it allows you to kind of get a better field of view or more functional field of view in a wider variety of situations. As I said, you've got a video output and remote control cable, as well as a USB port for pulling the video straight off. So setup is real easy, just like all the other units. The menu is very straightforward. It just gives you a better flexibility of placement options.